A big proper stank.
Erica, take it off.
Take off the wig.
I'm good with the wig, baby.
Oh.
She good with the wig, baby.
Finish.
Wait, shut the f up, I beat you.
I don't like people lying to me at all, at period. If you want to lie, you got to say it to my face.
Ooh, to the face.
You got to say it to my face.
You heard how soft she got? You gotta say it to my face.
I like that.
More integrity in this
I don't like
motherfucker.
motherfucking liars.
Ooh, motherfucker liars.
I really don't.
Alright, hey, my nigga, I'm going for my nigga. I ain't gonna lie, I think my Erica douche your ass. I'm
I
playing.
think Shanique finna molly wop that ass. I think that Shanique was tagging y'all ways.
Hey!
Tag me. I had her.
No, I
You
ain't.
was on the kick.
All the time.
You
You
was
want
on
to blame on
everything.
me. CBS.
Oh, don't put that in your mouth.
Can I please be quiet?
That been on Erica.
Lai had to answer her we can't go to CBS.
Don't put black in it.
I'm not.
Don't put black in it. No black can get your ass quick.
Don't behind it.
I'm not.
Okay.
They're between you.
Man, me and my sister Scarlett in this bitch, we just looking. We just looking.
Recording this motherfucker. 3 cameras.
I know she got
What did I say, Blake? 30 cameras.
This bitch going on Facebook, fuck with your home.
We can record on that one too, baby.
Hey, give me your phone.
Everywhere.
Internet, YouTube. What the fuck? Oh, can I pass me that before you get mine? Fuck with your herd.
Y'all wasting up my damn record.
For real.
Mine too.
Man, y'all blowing up a bitch battery.
Dude, you got a customer.
Man. Who is it?
I don't know.
Just let him.
Somebody
We just in it, bitch. We just waiting. We just lame.
She can't find her room.
She can find her phone. She know that phone and she scared of this ass
When
whooping
my
she about to
slammed
receive.
you, was you ready to fight Erica?
Now she ready to get on rain age.
How about the
She
juice?
said she was gonna fight Erica.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That wasn't pissing me off when she said food.
You want to fight her?
After I had got her.
Shanice, I want my one from your
I
ass.
don't like people lying to me at
I already got
all.
my one when she said she wanted to fight
That
me.
be more pissing me off, like, real talk. If you want to lie to somebody, say it to them, baby, like, real talk.
And shit, douche your ass with the
Then how you gonna lie to them if you say it in their face?
Nah, you don't know what she said. She said like Kayla.
She said it, what?
Oh, Kayla lying. No, Kayla be lying.
Who be lying?
I want
Man,
my
you can't lie, you be lying.
Erica!
You be
I
lying.
her being lying to me at all.
Man,